Good morning, fifth grade. I'm sorry I'm not here with you this morning. Adeline is sick again. She's got a really high fever and a cough this morning. But hopefully I'll get to see all of you on Monday. We're going to go over your grammar for this morning. And so if you remember grammar all the way back from Wednesday, that was indefinite pronouns. So indefinite is, well, we don't know who we're talking about. So even though it says someone volunteered, we don't know who that someone is. So we did a few of those examples as well. So we have to get someone to replace our community garden. We have to have everyone was happy with the work they did. So we don't know who everyone is. We don't know who someone is. We don't know who anyone is. So it's not being very specific. So for today's, though, it says possessive pronouns. So possessive is showing you who it belongs to. And so, like I just said, possessive pronoun shows ownership. The pronouns will appear before a noun. So the noun in this sentence is the town. That's what we're talking about. So our town. Whose town? Our. Again, we still don't know exactly who our is, but it is telling you that it is their town. So avoid repeating nouns. So kids help their community by working in the garden. So there, right there, so you can look and see whose community is it? It's their community. Granted, do we know whose it is? No, but it's still telling you who it really belongs to. Okay, let's try some out. I'll give you a second to kind of look at this sentence, and then I will underline it. So here we go. Where are your tomatoes? Think about it. Should be your, okay? Those cucumbers are mine. So those cucumbers are mine. We should be looking at cucumbers are your subject or what we're talking about. Whose are they? They're mine. Any citizen can contribute to our garden. So let's look at possession. We're talking about the garden. So we're saying it's our garden. Here we go. The shovel is hers. Whose shovel is it? It's hers. Okay, so now we're going to rewrite each sentence using a possessive pronoun instead of a repeating noun. So we have Josh. Josh offers Josh's vegetables to everyone. So it doesn't make much sense to use the word or to the name Josh twice in a sentence. So which one needs to go? Normally in the beginning of a sentence, we want to know who we're talking about. So this first Josh can stay. So we're going to say Josh offers, and what should we say here instead? So hopefully some of you are saying Josh offers his vegetables to everyone. So we're going to want to replace this second Josh right here with the word his. This is a possessive pronoun. All right, let's look again. The volunteers need people to help the volunteers. Okay, so one of them is the volunteers needs to go. Okay, so the second volunteers needs to go. So what are some words that we could possibly put in there that would help it make more sense? Hopefully some of you are saying the volunteers need people to help them. We can take away both of them if we need to. We can say the volunteers need people to help them. There's many other ones that you could possibly use, friends. All right, let's see if we have one more. Nope, that's it. Okay, let me take a look here. I'm going to show you what your assignment looks like. Okay, friends, so we're going to head to Schoology. You want grammar day 2, possessive nouns. So you're going to go ahead and start this one, and it says a possessive noun shows ownership. Possessive nouns like mine, yours, its, and ours can stand alone and take place of a noun. We just talked about this. So in the following sentence, decide which word is a possessive pronoun and write it under the sentence. So pretty much, friends, we're just looking at this sentence. The donation that helped start the shelter was mine. Which word is a possessive pronoun? Hopefully, you have said mine. That's all you're going to do. You're just writing the possessive pronoun in the box. Same for 2, same for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just one word, friends, needs to go in that box. Okay? If you have any questions, make sure to ask each other, help each other out.